Aryan Thakur, you will tell me what is written on the screen.
Success means what?
Okay, success means what? So dear students, today first 10 minute, 20 minute, I am going to tell you what is the meaning of success. So please enjoy this slide. Just you need to watch, you need to listen, and you need to write the main point. Okay, getting a point? This is your today's work. It is not all about only I will teach you science or I will teach you chemistry. It is my role also. I need to mentor also. I need to be a guide also. I need to be pathfinder also. I need to be your motivator also. Okay. So I have found that, I have listened that, I have got that in every classroom, some students, they are tagged as like naughty student, or I can say they are not good in studies. So teachers are supposed to say them, you never will pass. You never will pass. You never will do anything in your life. You will become failure. These kind of some certain compliments, I can say, comment is passing to the students. Are you agree or not? This kind of situation is coming in regular classroom. Sometime when you are not doing, some students are not good in studies, some students are not good in any work, so they are tagged to be very poor student, or I can say very low student, slow learner. Am I right? If you are agree with me, then please give somewhere comment in chat box. Yes sir, sometime this is happening. So dear student, don't bother about those things. We will not think about those people who are telling always you are not good, you are not doing anything, you can't do anything. Okay, you all have special quality within you, because God has made everyone with the special potential, special creativity. If I am very good in science, so maybe I am not good in English or in Hindi or in any other subject. If I am very good in art, so it cannot be case that I am very good in music. If somebody is very good in music, so maybe the case is there that is not good in math or science. So every student or every individual, every human being have some special quality. Okay. So today I'm going to tell you within these 4 or 5 slides, what is the meaning of success. Everybody want to achieve success in life. And what is the success for those people? Okay. So let's start this presentation with the help. So success mean what? In which I am telling you about belief. Believe you can succeed, and definitely you will succeed. This is the first line you need to take care. You need to keep believe. Whether let the people say, let the people speak. I'm telling you the story of Albert Einstein. You know, he's very famous scientist, international level scientist. Later on when he died, so the people were crying, whole country were crying, whole world were crying. One of the genius person has left this country. But let me tell you, when he was child like you, studying in school, I'm talking about Albert Einstein. He was tagged as one of the poorest student in the classroom, backbencher, or I can say the slow learner. Even some of the teachers, they tagged him mentally retarded. ये तो पागल है, इसको तो कुछ ही नहीं आता है. इस तरीके की बातें एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के लिए की गई. But you see what he did later on. What is the contribution of Albert Einstein? Who will tell me? Anybody? What Albert Einstein has done? You know ना Albert Einstein, उसके बाल ऐसे घुंघराले से हैं, शक्ल है पता? Yes, who will give me fast, individually? What is the role of Albert Einstein? This is your homework today. Everybody will find out from internet. Then you will post me, you will send me what he did, what is his role. Okay? ठीक है ना? Is it okay or not? Are you listening me or not? Please keep your camera on. Then only it is possible to talk to you. Yes, Riddhima, you are saying something. Keep your camera on. Everybody will keep your camera on. I will ask question from those students who will keep their camera off. I'm telling you, this is my style. I will ask question from those students only who will keep their camera off, and keep yourself mute. Mic बंद रखना है, camera on रखना है. Okay, so my question was, what Albert Einstein has done. This is your homework. You will find out after this meeting from internet. Then do send me. Okay. So we are talking about success, dear students. So your cooperation make it valuable always. Okay. Because I found some of the students, they were sitting like this. What is going on? These are the emotions. Just see on screen. What is today? It is the science period. First picture I'm telling about. Some students are sitting like this way. They are totally confused. I mean, what is going on? This in chemistry period, sir is telling about success. What is going on here? Second, yeah, what is boring this? I'm not happy at all. Third is little bit confusion is here. Fourth is sir, stop and move forward. Angry word. And fifth is it is very boring. I'm going to sleep. That one I asked now. And fifth one is let us sleep, sir. Why early morning you are giving us this motivational lecture? And sixth one is okay, now stop and move forward. So dear students, I don't like all these emotions. How Mridul Kamar is sitting, see everybody by joining both hands. Sit like this way. I need everybody. Have you seen my position? I will enable my camera, then see how I am sitting. मैं बैठा हूँ ऐसे आपकी तरह से, like this way, like this way, or like this way. I'm teaching like this way. No, my sorry, it is disconnecting again and again. So that's why we were here. So is it visible, Tanshu? What is visible on your screen?
Yes, sir.
What is visible on your screen?
Emojis.
Yes, different emojis. Acha, who is this annotator? Name is appearing here and okay, so let me tell you, dear students, I don't like these faces. I want like this. Wonderful. What is going on here? Give smile and just get what I am telling you. This is lifelong lesson to you. Chemistry तो आप औरों के पास भी पढ़ेंगे, हर साल पढ़ेंगे. But these things are very important, which I am going to tell you. Okay? So next 20 minutes we will study chemistry also, because I have to revise the chapter. So these are something is appearing here. Pema Dolma will tell me what is appearing on the screen. Beta, Pema Dolma, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself first. Yes, what is appearing?
Yes, sir.
What is appearing on your screen? क्या दिख रहा है?
Sir.
Arrows. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Only some arrows. Only some arrows are there. This is the meaning of success. Okay, you can mute yourself. Thank you. This is the meaning of success. Now you will say, what sir is talking about? What is this? How arrow is the success? So success is what? Success means for someone freedom. Like especially your group. They want freedom. Your child should, your parents should not tell you do this, that, don't go here, don't go to your friend. You want freedom. That is success for you. Some want self-respect. Some want positive thinking. Some want Arnav, Ayush, don't do this. Your name is appearing on screen. Satisfaction from life. Someone financial security. Someone personal prosperity. Some want happiness, that is success. Some want leadership, that is success. Some want wonderful result, that is success. But I'm telling you, success is just winning. किसी चीज को जीत जाना, that is success. Okay, if you want to pass 10th class board exam with meritorious marks, that is success for you. You want to become something that is success for you. So spinning wheel achievement. So now I'm going to appear some of the pictures. You just think about yourself. I am this. I want to become successful. So what I will do? You need to believe in yourself first. Okay? Believe in yourself. And how you will believe? Launch yourself to success with the power of belief. Win success by believing you can succeed. Defeat disbelief and negative power. Get big result by believing big. Make your mind reduce positive thought. That's why always I'm starting with positive mindset. Develop the power of belief. Plan a concrete success building program. Dear students, most important to get success is keep belief on yourself. You can do this. Yes, definitely. Then it will be. Second, what is appearing on your screen, Shailen Sharma? What is screening? What screen is there? ध्यान से देखो. What is appearing on your screen? What happened now? Bolo, mute. You must unmute yourself and speak. What is appearing? Which animal is there?
So cat is looking on a mirror.
Then from mirror, what is it is visible?
Sir, lion.
Yes. If you are thinking you are cat, if we are thinking we are cat, so if belief we have inside us, we can do, so it will give you power like a lion. You know, no power of lion and cat. This is huge difference. Arnav, Ayush, what you are doing? I am just watching your hairstyle only. Get back. Keep your camera. At least 1 feet away from you. It is not audible, Arnav? Keep your unmute yourself and tell me, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
So then you can listen from far away. Okay, belief, work on thinking. This is the meaning of this. If you will believe, then it will work on thinking. आपकी सोच बननी शुरू हो जाएगी कि you are like a tiger, lion, and you can do this. And expect result will come. Okay. Second, third is what? Tanish Thakur will tell me what is appearing here on your screen.
Sir, attitude change our belief.
Yes. Now think about this. What is the meaning of this line? Attitude change our belief. Now once you are believing you can do anything, your attitude, body language, your approach, it should be like that way then. Okay. It should be positive. Think, feel, behave, and act positively. Don't think about negative people. Don't think about negative remark. You find something positive in that negative also. That will change your attitude and that will make you successful person. That will decrease your troubles. That will decrease your counts. Okay, next is success means for live your dreams. Success means live your dreams. कुछ सपने देखे हैं आपने? Okay, जैसे Rijul Chopra will tell me what is his dream. Rijul, right now in this age, what is your dream, beta?
Yes, sir.
What is your dream at this age? क्या सपने देखता है तू? क्या बनना चाहता है? क्या होना चाहिए?
सर सपने ही नहीं आते.
क्यों सोता नहीं है?
सर आते ही नहीं.
Beta, dream is not that which you get in sleeping with your closed eyed. Dream is that which open eyes you are going to see. You want to become something or not in life, or without aimless life is there.
हाँ सर.
आप उस बस में बैठना चाहेंगे जिसका कोई स्टेशन नहीं है, उस ट्रेन में बैठना चाहेंगे जो कहीं नहीं रुकेगी?
हाँ सर.
So yes, somewhere some station should be there in life. Yes, Pranita,
Yes,
I will
sir.
ask. Pranita want to become actress, I think. Yes, Pranita. What is your
Yes,
dream,
sir.
beta? What is your dream, aim of life?
Sir, to become doctor.
Very good. To become doctor. Now see, so many people will tell Pranita, you cannot become doctor. You are not good in study. You are not good in science. How you will become doctor? And slowly, slowly, what will happen? She will start thinking like this way. Yes, but public are saying, people are saying, I cannot become doctor. So leave this dream, yeah. Let's become nurse. You know? Then so many people you will meet in life. They will say, you cannot become nurse. You are not that much potential for nurse. Then you will think, "नहीं, better than chalo, I will become housewife only." So this way, slowly, our thinking will decrease. Your belief will disappear. So keep your belief on whatever you want to become. Keep your dream live with open eyes. Always watch that dreams. Always see that dreams. And find out the sources, find out the way how I can achieve that. Okay. Next is time, dream, think. Meaning of this is take time, sorry, not talk time, take time mean think, to dream about your dream daily. Now it is my appeal to everyone. Daily in the morning or daily one time in a day, you will just think about your dream and think. Take your diary. Suppose Marnita said, I want to become doctor. So first page of that diary should be how I can become doctor. This is the APJ Abdul Kalam also was writing how I can become a scientist. Then daily he was writing in that page, Aryan Thakur, wake up. Then daily he was writing how I can become a scientist. Then he was writing, I need to study science, I need to study math, I need to do lots of calculation, I need to do numerical. So like this way, he start writing. So it is your age. If you want to become anything, take one diary, give the name of that diary, how I can become dash, जो भी बनना चाहते हैं. Then daily write. जो भी आप घर आ रहा है उसको पूछो कि मैं I want to become air hostess, how I can become. I want to become doctor, how I can become. I want to become teacher, how I can become. So they, whatever session they are telling you, you just note down in that diary. You have lots of time. 4 or 5 years you have to make your career. Within 4 or 5 years, that diary will fill. In the end, you will get lots of information and definitely you will become what you want to become. This is my suggestion to you. So if those students who will follow this, definitely they will be on the top somewhere. Okay, so success comes from confidence. Now confidence is the next mantra. Be bold and brave always. Don't afraid from anything. Okay, if you want to fly on the sky, make your own wings. That is showing in this picture. No need to make the being of like a word. You make your own being of thoughts, being of your imagination, being of your mental I can say power. You can success definitely, because success will come from confidence. If you are not having confidence, forget about success. So every successful person was failure once. I told the story of Einstein. Similar was the story of Newton. Same story is APJ Abdul Kalam. Every successful person will somewhere fall down. So don't worry. Get on your feet again. After each failure, there is success. After each failure, there is success. Okay? Think for solution only. Success will follow you. Just think about solution only. Don't think about problems. कि मैं अगर डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूं तो ये करना पड़ेगा, this I need to do, that I need to do. Okay, those people, those who are army people right now, they are in war fighting against China. If they will think like this way कि मेरे को गोली लग सकती है, I can be this, that, then they will not go there. Who will fight there? They are thinking about solution only. We need to win this LAC. We need to win this for our country. So think for solution only. Success will follow you. Okay, and erase the word problem from your vocabulary. I have seen so many students are telling whenever we are asking why you are not submitting your assignment, why you are not getting test marks. So many students, they are giving, sir, my network was not working. Sir, my pen was not there. I was not at home. I am at Nani's home. These are problems. We don't need to talk about problems. We need to talk about solution. If you are at Nani's home, it's okay. You can give test. You can learn. Getting my point? So if you want to become successful, erase the word problem from your vocabulary. Next is be creative and innovative. This is very important. And I like all those students, because myself is also like this. I like all those students who are creative and innovative. Kashish, please. Not Kashish Thakur. Sit beta properly. Be creative and innovative. This is the think outside of the box. This is make you creative and innovative. Next is winner will give the taste of win. Winner will only give the taste of win. Surround yourself with like-minded believers. Leave the relation with the negative people. Okay? Then it will increase the value of success. Yes, treat others with respect. Then set a goal, plan properly, and act accordingly. Break down your vision and ambition into goals. Then how to develop the power of belief. Think success, don't think about failure. This is the mantra. Think success, don't think about failure. Remind yourself regularly that you are better than you think you are. Third is think big, believe big, and win big. So like this way you can start to success. You are in 9th class now. So suppose you are in start point. When you will cross +2, you should be in successful point. Okay. So these are the mantra. Think, analyze, plan. As you think, so shall you become. जैसा आप सोचते हो वैसा ही आप बनते हो, क्योंकि भगवान भी आपको उसी दिशा में, उसी डायरेक्शन में ले जाते हैं. ठीक है. सो थिंक पॉजिटिव, थिंक गुड, think big. Automatically you will become big. This is a true for you. If you believe you can succeed, you will do whatever it takes to find your own path and purpose of your passion. Okay. So this was small slide. And now best mantra to make yourself successful is what? Believe you can succeed and you will. Okay. Believe you can succeed, you will. And forget about those people, those who are saying you cannot do anything in your life, you cannot achieve, you cannot pass. Leave them. You just focus on your work and definitely you will become successful, whether your success is in what way. So thank you. Have a nice day. So this was small presentation that I just want to show you. And so hope so you like. Now I just want to ask Ananya Sharma.
Yes, sir.
What you learned from this presentation?
Sir, success means everything.
Okay, thank you. Akhil, 9th blue. Unmute yourself and enable your camera.
Yes, sir.
Where you are? Akhil.
Yes, sir.
No, you tell beta. What you learned from this slide?
Sir, I learned that we should not care that anybody says to us. We should focus only on goal. We should
Yes,
focus on
very right.
goal.
Yes, very right. Because who are those people? Those who are not help us into success. Those are those people who don't want you should be successful in your life. So don't think about those people. Don't listen those people. They are negative kind of people. You just have to focus on positivity. Where positivity is there, where positive thinking is there. Those who are pushing you always. It can be your parent. No problem, beta. You can do much better. Okay. Because one time to become fail in one subject or in one class is not the fail in life. Okay. I was studying one of my friend. He was with me, my classmate. He was studying with me in 10th class. And suddenly he was very good in study, but due to some reason he was sick during exam time. So he was fail in math. Otherwise he was pass in all subjects. So compartment he got. But in +1 class, he kept science. 10th में compartment आने के बाद math में compartment आने के बाद science रखी. He studied non-medical. Then with first attempt, he cleared the compartment. He studied whole 1st class to 12th class in government school. So then he has done hard work. He studied +1, +2, medical, non-medical, both. It is very difficult. At that time, it was very difficult. Today, it is a little bit easy. Medical, non-medical, both. Where bio and math also. Otherwise, people are keeping only medical or non-medical. He passed +2 class. He did BSc. He did MSc in chemistry. And today, he is your chemistry teacher. Teaching in DAB Public School, Manali. That is myself. So can you believe that? The person who has compartment in maths in 10th class, पढ़ा हुआ है government school में हिंदी medium में और आज English medium school mein, one of the very reputed institute, DAV Manali. He is PGT chemistry there. Can you believe? So this is success. You have to believe. If you will believe, so you will get. Okay, so my dear students, it is my request. Don't underestimate the power of your within. What is power is there? Inner potential. Because God has given every equal potential. When we are going to recognize that from inside us, when we will think, yeah, I can do this, why I cannot do this? If any work is coming to you, whether it is difficult, don't bother, no problem. If your thinking will start, now I can do this. Definitely, I'm telling you, your body will help you. Your power, inner power will help you to, you can do. And once you did, you will become successful in the country. From my side, thank you for very much. Thanks for patience listening. You all are very nice.